Hey, video. Appreciate y'all turning my video up. Look at that. It's going down out here. Coming to Puerto Rico is all I can say.
Puerto Rico.
I don't know why y'all not here. Look at this. Hey, very mucho. What's up, guys? It's day 2, the all-white boat party. It's been a night, man. It's one thing I can definitely say. But we are now officially headed to catch our Uber to get a ride to the boat party. Have a great day. So I got my drone with me. Hopefully I can get some drone shots. But we outside, so we made it, my boy.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
You already know it's time to go get on the boat. It's an early morning, but that's what you got to do on a vacation, man. You start shit early, you get a lot done.
Outside. Happy birthday. Look, we gonna turn up July cancers, gang, always. Let's get it.
What's up? Happy birthday, boy. Time to get it. Let's get it, man.
Yes, sir.
Sluggy.
All right, so we finally on the way to the boat. I thought it was gonna be our own personal boat, but apparently it's kind of like a group boat. So we're gonna see how many people actually fit on here. I know there's like 14 of us, so let's see how this goes. Got our fins. So they issue you fins after you check in. Usually we checked in like right around 8:15, and then around 8:30 they start giving out fins to everybody. 8:45 our tour guide came and got us, and now we're headed to the boat. We outside. It's gonna go down. Ooh, hold on. Might have to bite onto this. Fuck it. I'm just gonna have to swim.
Oh, I forgot my snorkel. That's what I forgot. Forgot my snorkel. We got your snorkel? It's on the boat.
It's all good, my boy. We outside. We outside. So I just got off the boat. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but just got off the boat, and we now out here enjoying the blue water. It's crystal clear blue water. It's lit. This is a moment, man, and we capturing it too. We made it. We're gonna never forget this moment. Hey. Oh, that's dope.
Hey, she's little, man.
That's lit. We are outside, man. Everyone's living their best life, man. You can't. I definitely can see myself going on something like this again. Oh, that's prime. Oh, that's. Oh yeah, that is fire. Oh, you know what? You want me to help you?
Yeah,
I got you. I got you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
All right, cool.
You're welcome. No problem. No problem. It is the ocean. Oh yeah. Somebody was like, it's salty as fuck. Like, yeah, it is the ocean.
Extra.
Definitely. Man, I appreciate you guys for joining me. Like, you guys keep tuning in and watching this stuff. It's unraveling in real time.
We made it.
Yeah, we really did. Really made it to this moment, for real. Yeah, rock, piece of coral, something. Oh, no, it was like a fossil. Yvonne out here excavating and stuff. But yeah, we out here, man. Get your float on, I see, huh?
Yep. Oh my God, there's a jellyfish right there.
What? Oh, no, sir. Javon, why are you going towards it?
It's not a man of war.
Be black.
Bro, I'm a Floridian first. I know all that shit.
Hell no.
Man, those
That
don't
shit
hurt. Those, they're not that bad. The ones you don't want to get stung by is the one with the long shit like that, the man of war.
That one was
and they look like a balloon on the top of it in the water, and it's blue. These little ones are not that bad.
And on today on National Geographic, we're learning about jellyfish. Hell nah. Avoid them all is the answer. So right now, I can't even tell you guys more about the island because everyone's freaking about jellyfish that's over here.
No.
But speaking of jellyfish, that is like something you guys gotta be aware of. If you come on an excursion like this, you gotta be aware that there's gonna be wildlife in the water when you get here. You're not the only person that would love this type of viewpoint, you feel me? You can stand up, Brittany, just stand up.
I know. I'm short.
You ain't that short. You can stand up now.
Oh, yeah?
You're retarded. What time is that? Alright, well, this is the infamous Brittany. You know what I'm saying? She be lit at every event.
Yes.
Now we lit out here in Puerto Rico.
Wait, you need some water.
Yes, it's so
Trying
clear.
to get my Pamela grill on.
How you get on these people photos? This ain't even our boat. Bro. We chilling, nobody. It's Puerto Rico, baby. Whatever.
Nobody's hurt.
So what?
Nobody's hurt.
I know, you're right. I guess sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Apologize later.
My parents,
We in this house.
they made sure I learned patois. They took me down
I always talking
to
shit.
Jamaica ever since I was a baby.
Let me go on the other side. I feel like I need to balance this shit.
Everything.
Lit. Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm just getting the whole vibe. Really, I was trying to get the boats behind y'all. I'm at a whole nother boat. How did this even happen?
Take me to shore.
Hey, y'all getting back on the boat?
I want to eat.
Oh,
But
okay.
I'm nervous. I don't know if I can swim on it.
You don't gotta swim. You can just walk. He's still walking.
Well, he's taller than me.
Well, you can like tippy toe and bounce the whole way. Just bounce all the way.
Well, but I get to a point where there's nothing to bounce on.
All right, come on. I got you. Come on.
I'm short.
Got you.
I
Come
mean, I
on.
could try and swim.
Okay, well, go
over
ahead.
there, but I'm scared.
Well, I'll walk next to you in case.
In case. Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, let me do that.
All right.
Wait, all right.
I'm about to. It's the current. It's pulling me. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, sir. Hey, video. Appreciate y'all turning my video up. Look at that. It's going down out here. Coming to Puerto Rico is all I can say.
Puerto Rico.
I don't know why y'all not here. Look at this. Hey, very mucho. All right, I'm still trying to find Thomas though. Where the fuck did he go? What, local? Oh yeah. You got the
Oh, you know it, bro. This dope, man. I went around the whole boat already. Seen some wildlife, some little silver fish. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to find a
I'm trying to stay away from these jellyfish.
But
you gotta watch out, man. It's literally fucking They are everywhere.
I'm scared of them.
But I ain't trying to play with no jellyfish. Look, my camera's getting low, just in case it cuts off. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys ever get a chance, come out to Puerto Rico, get yourself on one of these boats, man. There's clearly plenty of companies out here that'll treat you right. They feed you lunch. You're out here floating around. You're meeting beautiful people. It's definitely going down. You definitely got to do it, people.
Ciao, ciao.
Hey, you was on a mission.
Yeah.